right? Abdul Aziz, who is your father, Imam Murrah? You know, I will answer you about this if you tell me who is the father of Muhammad, who was born 4 years after his father. Who is his father? And about Imam Murrah, who is this Imam Murrah? This is what I said to you in the video. Imam Murrah. Do you like to call me so we can laugh? Call me Abdul Aziz. It's fun time. Imam Murrah, those are from the puppy of Fifi, who don't dare to call me. Why Fifi don't call me and ask me about Murrah so we can laugh? He grew his beard like a rat. He looked literally like a rat. And he don't dare to call me. This is how rat he is. And look, he sent those kids. Okay, here we go. Why you don't call me so we can laugh? I'm going to log in Skype. And I want you to play for me the video of Imam Murrah, so we can laugh at you and the one who sent you, the same as we did at you when you called me last time. Call me. I mean, this is a group. It's called a friend. Keep calling me. Let me bind this guy. This guy, he have obviously mental illness. Call me. Let us see, Mr. Murrah. I will make you the joke of everybody, and this video will be recorded, and everybody will be dying laughing at you. Call me. Abdul Aziz. And I want you to play for me Imam Murrah video, so we can laugh. Are you going to call? Or you want to hide like a rat? Where are you? Potato. This is why all of you make videos, but you don't dare to call me. I mean, I'm here. I'm here. Do you dare? You don't dare. You are intimidated. You are scared. You are doing poo-poo right now in your diaper, saying to yourself, I'm not going to call him. I will be humiliated. We have Muhsin is calling. All right. Hello, Muhsin. How are you?
First of all, I'd like to give a big shout out to Christian Prince, who finally has decided to go through some of my accusations. Thank you, Christian Prince.
He's playing the video.
You are truly a brave man. Maybe not as brave as someone who'd debate me face to face, but yallah, it's better than nothing. So, Habibi, I appreciate it. Now,
hold on. He hang up, the coward. Why you hang up? Did he call me Habibi? Did he just call me Habibi? My love? Why you hang up, potato? Habibi? You know, he don't dare to debate me face to face. I mean, what is this face to face is? Why you don't call me, you coward, son of Mut'a? Why you don't man up and call me, or give me your Skype, I will call you. Habibi. Habibi ya Noor al-Ain? What a ho-ho. People of Lut. Habibi? You calling Christian Prince Habibi? Are you in love? Baby, I love you. Coward. You know, they claim they can debate me, and they can debate me for sure. They can destroy me, but nobody dare to do it. I am the only one who have his Skype open. Any Muslim can call him. They don't dare to do that. I am the one who says, let me call you. They don't dare to let it happen. Cowards. Go talk to yourself in your video and sit like a rat. People are laughing at you. And actually, I really appreciate those Muslims because they are bringing me a lot of Muslims who never heard of me. You know, when a Muslim, he sees somebody making more than 100 video for a guy, his name is a Christian Prince. I mean, how much painful this Christian Prince is to you making 100 video about me. And I make 2 videos about you, I made you shish kebab. I do not need to make 200. Actually, I did not make the video about him. I just made the video to respond and get him busted. I don't care who they are. Habibi, huh? Cowards. Let us see. Habibi. Yeah, anyway, we go back to our topic. You see, they try to disturb us from our topic. They are getting hurt. They are getting hurt badly. So my friend, advice to you, all of you, male or female, don't be silly like the Muhammadan. The Muhammadan, they do shopping when they get married. Because they don't care really for how long the woman she will stay. They don't care even how long the man will stay. The women in Islam, she care about how much dowry she will make, because this is a business. How much money she will get paid when she get divorced, because this will happen sooner or later. They have no security. You know, their marriage is just temporary. It is just a contract of sexual sharing bed. It's not really a marriage. For you as a Christian, the story is different. Look for the quality. Look how much you share together. Look if she is a believer or not. Look, maybe she will make fun of your belief. Maybe she will teach your children something wrong. So you have to be sure that you are in a match in a way where you both enjoy each other as the Lord, He taught us to be. It's not about how tall she is or how short she is. How good is going to be to you. What if you one day, you know, you marry a woman, she care for fashion and makeup and etc. What if one day you became disabled? What do you think this woman she would do with you? How many days she will stay with you after you became disabled? A week? Right? Yeah, anyway, guys, just forget about those names. You know, they are like bugs. They try to disturb what we do. So please avoid them. You know, I don't want to mention their names anymore. Just forget them. I mean, they want to call us. Call us. That's simple. Correct? There's no need to talk about them, and you know, let them talk about us. Let us be the quality, and they are the casualty. They are terrified. They are scared. So let us not to waste our time. For us, our Skype is open. The one want to call, he's welcome. You don't want to call, it's up to you. You are brave, you are a hero, no problem. You know, we are scared of you. Okay. But it is us who open our Skype so Muslims can call, it's not them. So everybody can see who is the one who is scared. So we do not need to spend our time just talking about those kids.